Hello everybody, this is Robocop. Cue the lovely upbeat music. It's not bad actually, I quite like that. It's quite for a Spectrum tune. So this is another Inept Review. Music a bit loud. Turn down a bit. There's a game we used to play back in the day. It's quite hard. It's actually quite hard to copy as well because the tape used to always go wrong when I copied this guy for mate. Oh, copy? Surely not. That's what we used to do it back in the day, didn't we, at school, trading games. The trick was, you bought one game and your mate bought the other copy and you swapped each other's. Right, because you know, £4 was a lot back then to pay for a game. Right. God, it's like having Robocop in your... It's like having him in your fucking house, in your Spectrum. Let's see if it's worked. I had a bit of problem earlier with this game. Controls. Are we off? Are we off, lads? Here we go. Fuck. Oh, bollocks. Controls wrong, hang on. Oh, you fucking cunt. I had a bit of a problem with control, I had the wrong controller selected. For some reason you can't shoot dangly. Oh, you bastard. Fuck you. Fuck you. Oi! For some reason you can't shoot dangly upwards and to the left. I don't know why. So you shoot people, you shoot the criminals. Oh, you bastard. And you only got a little amount of ammo. Oh, you shit. Oh, there's a gun there, pick it up. Oh, you shit. Oh, fuck, how many bullets should I take, you bastard? Pretty tricky, you have to remember where everyone's coming from. Rat-a-tat-tat. Fuck you, mister. Dead or alive, you're coming with me. Pick up the old baby food. Oh, fuck you. Them guys with guns are gits. Oh, I got a shotgun. Got a shotgun. You wouldn't know it's a pistol. Kills quite a few people at once. I remember once skiving off school and I actually got, because it's quite a tricky game, but I actually got to about the last level I think. Before that I'd only got to level 2. Oh, you shit. They're right arseholes, these guys. Oh, what now? Pistol. Fuck off. Can't move. Robocop. He says his name just in case you've forgotten it. I like that. Oh shit, it's spilled beer everywhere. This is the second part. You shoot the guy without shooting the woman. Keep still, mister. Fucking, oi, fuck you, mister. Oi, oi. You're shooting more than once, yeah? Oh, but sorry, lass. Get the fucking way! Fuck the innocent, they're getting a piss off. Ah. Killed the innocent, fucking got beer all over me. Brilliant. Alright, here we go. Hello? What the fuck's he made of? What have I got shit all once for? Get away! Dance with her? Fucking die! This is level 2. It's quite a lot of variety in this game. Did get a headshot or what? Keep still something there. Robocop. Right. Where are we now? So the game continues. I think I rescued it. Oh, you fucker. I just want these games, when they start shooting it really rubs it in because they keep hitting you, you can't move and it's so frustrating. Fuck off. Get down from there, laddie. Hey. Not a bad game. It was a massive game at the time. I think it was like one of the biggest games at the time. Oh, fuck off, hit me in the head, you shit. You got some bikers here. Fuck off. Love that. Imperialist to your bullets, but punch them, they die. Graphics aren't brilliant, but they're not bad. Music's pretty funky, isn't it, for a 128k game? Oh, fuck off, Mr. Cunt. I hate that in games where you have to kill them a certain way they don't die. He's only a fucking human. In the bollocks, that's a shit. Don't know why he can't shoot diagonally upwards and left after it's a machine gun. I'll have some of that, mate. Oh, piss off. And you. A lot of people say this is really easy, but it just means it's one of the few games where you don't die immediately. There's a lot of games on Spectrum you used to die just like that. Away with ye, gangsters. Oh, piss off. No fucking way. Thank God that's over. So, hopefully it sounds like a sync. Next stage, I think it's a map. You have to mix up the photos to try and find the criminal. What else is this? I can't remember what we're doing here. I think photo. Ah, this is the thing. God, he's an ugly looking bastard, isn't he? So it's quite a good little bit. This you have to match up the face you see there. Is that right, ears? What is it? God, it's hard to tell which one's if it's the right one or not. Oh, oops, ran out of time. Didn't realise it's so quick. God, you can have been the last guy. Gotcha, you bastard! That's the criminal we're after. He's wanted for a few things: shoplifting, Grand Theft Auto, software piracy. Oh, he's been copying his computer game as well, the bastard. Yeah. Right, let's go to the next stage. Here we go. Come on, lads. Robocop. Yeah, we know who you are, Robocop. You said your fucking name. Don't keep saying it. You know. Next stage in a warehouse. Piss off. Why can't I shoot that way still? Fuck off. Fuck off. It's so annoying to hit you. Quite a nicely animated little guy, isn't he? Old Robocop. He's dead! We killed you, man! We killed you, man! Think again, you bastard. Get your old baby food there. No, not a bit baby food, is it? Works for me, you know. You're feeling a bit down, you're feeling a bit low, you're out of energy. Have some baby food. Fuck off. So, Robocop. I can't shoot that way. Why can't you shoot that fucking way? What the fuck is it? Why can't Robocop shoot upwards and to the left? Is it like some secret police code? You're not allowed to shoot criminals that way. So you get your ass kicked. I'll give it 8 out of 10. Why you can't fucking shoot a certain direction, I have no idea. No, I've lost all my life now. Oh, I've got an extra life. Fuck off. Yeah, you turn, Robocop. So 8 out of 10. I think better games than Spectrum, but ain't too bad. So 8 out of 10. Robocop!